how to use speed curves in Capcut. So if you want to use speed curves in Capcut, then first you need to open up your Capcut and go with Create Project, go with Import and select the video in which you would like to add the speed curves or use the speed curves. Once you've imported, drag and drop that to the bottom and here you will have the video. So if you want to add the speed curves, then what you need to do is just select the video and go with the upper right, which has that speed option. From here, you'll be able to add the slow motion effect. So what you need to do is just select the video and go with curve option, which is on the upper right. And you can also add the custom curves or presets. So in order to use your speed curves, what you need to do is just split your videos. So first, split the first part and add a custom preset, or just add a preset which is right here. And once you've selected that, you can adjust it wherever you like, and you can scroll down and you can go with smooth slow-mo, enable that, and after that you can go with frame blending or optical flow, whichever option that you're comfortable with, and you can go with the second part, split that, and then again add a preset. So I'll be choosing second one, and you can also adjust this one too, and in the same way you can go with the next part and add a preset again, or just go with the custom option to add custom presets. Now if you play the video, then you'll be able to have this kind of interface. So in the same way, you can simply split the video, go with speed, curve, and then add your slow-mo. Go with smooth slow-mo, enable that, and that's it. That's how you can use the speed curves in your Capcut, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.